Hello, my name is Daniel Tanguy. I'm for Solexi.ai. I present today for the platform Solexi. Solexi was created to simplify the protection of your digital life, your family legacy, your memory, and your essential information, so your loved one are not left alone in confusion when they need to find important document and understand which. Sorry for my English is no very good. I speak, je parle français, alors my English is not all professional, sorry. And I just log in. Okay, first step in login. After login, I collected this information and upload your document, PDF document, photo, video, wall file, Excel file, administration, administrative document, family memories, or digital archive. So don't be afraid to take your old phone, old computer, Raspberry drive, external, and hard drive. The goal is simple: bring together in or one secure place what matter most to you and your family. Just open there. Just upload this document. The app import. The I help sort and organize your information. For example, I can help identify important document, personal memories, family document. My way they like today. And Solexi.ai help you structure your information. Yeah, finish. The I structure this information. And after the build, step 3, I build your digital legacy. I state preparation with AI assistant. And after organizing the first document, the next phase to build your family digital legacy or your estate preparation plan. This is step help family prepare important information and reduce the risk of the misunderstanding. Often family chaos does not come from a lack of love. It comes from stress, missing information, document that cannot be found, and decisions that were never clearly prepared. With Solexi.ai, family can organize the thing ahead of time to avoid confusion, conflict, and unnecessary pressure on loved one. Just after the preparation for the checklist. Choose choose all you are preparing for, and the preference. And this is a family member. Maybe she leave the person leave a spine. State Costa Blanca, and I prefer language English. Save. Or it's possible to choose Canada, United States, France, Belgium, and hotter. You have access for the chat. What document should I prepare for my family? This is a question. And after it generate, this is list for Casablanca. Okay. And just ask, any question. Give me whole document. Issue the all document I need for this Spain. And after this, I just create preparation checklist. Generate my preparation checklist. It's possible to you generate a checklist manual. Just this is intelligence artificial for just a help fastly. Costa Blanca specific item to verify. Okay, I think it's good. I save. Okay, fiscal representation. Okay, Spain main need fiscal representation. And after you go for heritage. Okay, and this is my list. Spanish reconsideration for resident Casablanca, specific Spanish A-written law might apply. Okay, it's possible too for delegate the task to the family circle. Okay, and it's no complicated. Just take in progress. Hide it. Description, status in progress, assigning your circle family. Just choose the name, anything. Status progress, anything. It's possible to put the date. Linking the document. Or this is you need more information for testament. Just click link the document testament. There's no requirement for this professional or your requirement professional. Just save it. System update, sorry. And the governance responsibility. Spanish reconsideration, then anything with the final date and progress. And for add the member circle, just, oops, sorry, not there, it's a document. governmental responsibility, add member. Invitation. First name, last name, email, phone number. And just create an invitation. Send the email. The person just open the courier the email and just add and click their invitation. Family label. This is possible or just for this is a trusted contact executor name in the will for the future. It's possible, and the same for this name is executor designation. And then you create your circle member, and you have the documentation. This is the good tool for just to help your family. And after. Possible you scan the document and add the document. Okay, and just step number 2, memories. It's possible your preserve family memories. The next phase is memories. Solexi is not only made to organize administrative document, it's also designed to preserve what gives a family its soul. You can add a family recipe, family story, is a creative photo album and video, letter and message. It's possible your for the future. You create an important message and the send for the future with the date, tradition and celebration, and family timeline. For family recipe, it's possible you take the picture with the cell phone and or just a choice image, choose a picture, and hey for detection picture hey. No, it's French. It's just French or just English or Spanish too. Yeah, it's just the intelligence artificial grab this picture and title, difficulty, dish tip, serving the story of the recipe, maybe grandma Italian. And sorry, this is une recette en français, just recipe ingredient French. And just add theirs. Save these. It's possible to change the photo, the picture. I need to listen to recipe. For step by step, to listen the recipe. It's possible too for you had the recipe for story, photo album. It's possible write on dictate. Just to speak with the intelligence artificial structure thing. And memories after. It's possible to spoken to a story. Write the story, dictate story, This is my grandpa story. It's a Royal Canadian Air Force uniform. My grandpa with the Spitfire. No anecdote yet. It's possible you're with several family and just had an anecdote. And after for the memories, create your album. It's possible letter and message you were delivered at the right moment. For the post almost message, designing one or two people confirming you're passing your tracker delivery. This is you don't have is okay, and you don't have an activity check after 6 months without login, active safety net, and just the message. The Solexi.ai send us a message with your time programmation date. And audio, video, text. You send your email and your cell phone. Your phone. What is the occasion? New graduation, wedding, birth. Et déclenche tout after my passing. It's possible to after your life in the with the person in the circle. Just send this message. You don't have it, no problem. Solexi send the message for you. Tradition and celebration. It's possible you're just drop your tradition. Grandma birthday. A brunch or a brunch de Pâques for Christmas. You have a good joke, your history with your family, and réveillon de Noël chez les Tremblay. Christmas for a Tremblay family, and the date. After your family timeline, this is the family timeline with my grandpa. You have just put the picture. He has to as possible write history and a good memory in the long time. This platform is the languages French, English, Spanish. Conclusion, Solexi help family prepare by combining three essential elements: document organization, responsibility planning, and memory preservation. With the help in artificial intelligence, family can better classify information, create checklists, delegate tasks, preserve memories, and pass on what truly matter. Solexi.ai is not just a storage space, it is a tool designed to protect your digital memory, prepare your loved one, and preserve your family legacy. Thank you for discovering Solexi.ai with me. Thank you. Bye bye.